Look at the front where it says Ames real big. So I'm down here in the waterfront, down in Homestead, and I'm at the old Homestead Train Station behind me here. And we're expecting some action here on the lines. I didn't know one was coming from CSX, but we have one on its way, and it's going to give me this rare opportunity to show you this old signal here in action that says no left turn with a flashing red light on it. Yeah, this is a very old signal. Still works, still in use. And it applies to this parking lot that I'm in right now. You see the bee friend and the train station here. Anything on the other side of this fence is CSX property, so we're not going over there. But we have that train coming, so let's get on it. Check this out, guys. We're down here in Homestead with a snowstorm. We have a CSX train coming. Check out this old signal. Faces the tracks. Coal train. All right, now that CSX has gone by, I'm standing up here on the other side of the Homestead Train Station, awaiting a Norfolk Southern train to be coming by. I firmly believe one's on its way as I look down at the signals way down there, and we have a green over red on the middle track. So that means we should be expecting one from this direction any moment. And, well, I'm ready to put that video together for you. This is the first time getting to do this in the snow. And, well, I hope you enjoyed the CSX one, and I hope you enjoy the Norfolk Southern one. Just as fast as I said one was coming from the direction behind me, we have one coming from that way. Will we get lucky and get a twofer? Getting one going each direction? Let's find out. The signal behind me should be changing any moment and dropping the gates. Well, that's some of the joys of rail fanning without a scanner. You never know what's going to be coming. Basically, every train, to me, is a silent Sam. With no knowledge of what's coming other than looking at signals for green or yellow lights, I just play a game of chance. And that's the joy of it. So, we unexpectedly got a train coming from the Pittsburgh side over towards the Munhall side, and we're still awaiting that Munhall side to bring us a train towards downtown. So we're going to stick it out and wait and hope that we get that one. At this point, it is now snowing so hard that I can no longer see the signal down on the Norfolk Southern tracks. The snow now blinds them out. But prior to it going out of view from the snow, we still had a green over red on the middle track. So I assume that one is still on its way, and I will be here to present that to you. Alright. He is here. Now you can see the signal again too. Just like that, you can't again. All right, well, I'm back in the nice, warm, cozy bee friend. It is really, really snowing outside now. And, yeah, Winter Storm Izzy is here, dumping a lot of snow. I'd say we've already got about 3 inches while I was just out there hanging out.
Yeah, it's like as soon as you went out, it started going down, like, hardcore. Like, the car was covered in it.
Yeah, the car, I just used the wiper blades. There's at least a solid 2-3 inches that I just wiped off the windshield. And
you're crazy enough to go out in that without gloves on.
I know. I had my hat, I had my hood, and I was still getting pelted. But hey, that was fun. I finally did it, and I hope you enjoyed.
That snow train you wanted so bad.
I know, I did it. They just like to drag their feet down here. No, I'm just kidding. It's not their fault. When a signal turns green, it takes it maybe up to half an hour, I guess, for them to come by. But we did it. CSX was a little bit of a surprise. Again, without having a walkie-talkie or, you know, scanner, I never know what's coming or when. It's just a game of chance. But that was cool. Plus, you got to see the no left turn signal in action. Whew. All right, we're calling it a night. We want to get home and get home safe and give you an update from the house when we get there.
Yes, and I want to get under my blankets and cuddle with my cats.
What about me?
Just kidding. Just kidding. You and the cats. Does that make you happy?
Thanks. Love you too, princess. Alright, see you at the house. Okay, as promised, we are home safe and sound. Yes, I still have the Christmas tree up because I love Christmas and don't want it to end, but sadly this week it will be coming down. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the Railfan video from Homestead. We are safe and home, warm, and I'm ready to watch some playoff football. Anyway, take care everyone. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome and have a Railfan-licious day. Bye everyone.